You asked for it and you got it. Special request coming at you. A video about partitive and quotative division. So we're going to use the force, and you're going to use your awesome noggins to understand the difference and similarities between partitive and quotative division. Let's go. All right. So we know that we divide when we have a total, our whole, and we're decomposing it equally. So let's read a story, and this might be on your homework, something similar. So Domo and his buddies, that's me, are playing an epic game of Uno. Domo's got 21 cards. Each person needs to get an equal amount of cards. If there are a total of 3 people playing, how many cards will each person get? So if we really look carefully at our question, it's saying how many cards will each person get. Each is a synonym for per. So we know our variable is going to go into how many per group. So let's continue. So what's being decomposed or shared or dealt out in this problem? It's the 21 cards. He's literally dealing them out equally among his 3 buddies. So the total number of things is our 21 cards. And in division language, this is known as our dividend, aka the thing that's being decomposed equally. And we're wondering, all right, this 21 cards is being decomposed equally among how many groups? AKA the people. 3 pals. 3 pals. Cool. So the equation that would match this is 21 cards divided by 3 pals is equal to the number per pal. So cards per pal. And if we're trying to think, hey, is this partitive or quotative? Well, we know we're looking for the number per group, and that's kind of the definition of partitive division. And lucky for us, there's a ton of cool strategies that we can use. So some of you might have the idea in your head already, but if you want to model it, hey, I can show my 3 pals. So let's say this is Domo. Let's say this is Oweji. And we could say this is Trey. And we're dealing the cards out. How many cards? We're dealing 21 cards. So let's deal out 21 until we're all gone. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm getting to 5, so I'm going to do the tally slash. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And because we did that little tally slash, it's really friendly and easy to see that we have every pal is going to get 7 cards. So that variable, 21 cards divided equally among 3 friends, is 7 cards per pal. That's one strategy. And if we want, hey, we can do a different strategy. We got options, kiddos, options. We can think multiplication, inverse operation, algebraic thinking, all this awesome nerd stuff. So we can say, okay, 3 pals times, well, I don't know, some amount of cards per pal is equal to our total, our dividend, of 21 cards. Yeah, and some of you are probably yelling at the screen saying, hey, Sam, 3 times 7 is 21. 21. Right. 3 pals times 7 cards per pal equals 21. So when we think multiplication, our variable is worth 7. And when we solve the actual division problem, our answer is 7. All right, so that's partitive. Partitive, we're looking for the number per group. How many will each person get? Each and per are synonyms. Let's move on. Let's go. All right. Here's another question. Now we're back to Roz. Roz is learning how to be a photographer. She wants to put her favorite pictures into a photo album. She's got 12 favorite photos, and they're mostly silly selfies of her and Brightbill. Each page in the photo album fits 4 pictures. How many pages of the album will she use? Each page fits 4 pictures. Each page, 4. Each, synonym for per. So we got 4 photos per page. Photos per page. And then what's being decomposed? Yeah, the thing that's being decomposed is she's literally organizing her 12 favorite pictures. 12 photos. So unlike the other problem where we were kind of dealing out and thinking how many per group, here we know how many go per group are 4, and we want to figure out our number of groups. So I can say, all right, here's a page in my photo album, and I can fit 1, 2, 3, 4 photos. So I've got 4. Well, here's another page in my photo album. There's still photos laying around. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've organized 8 photos altogether. I still got some more photos though. And then I've got another page, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, cool. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sweet. I've decomposed those 12 photos, Roz's favorite photos, into 3 pages. So here are the pages. 1, 2, 3. And we can think division. We can think 12 photos divided into chunks of 4 photos per page is equal to 3 pages, aka 3 groups. So this is a quotative because our variable is in the number of groups. And we can use the same strategies though. So I can think, all right, 4 photos per page times some amount of pages is equal to 12 photos in all. And then we know our answer is 4 photos per page times 3 pages equals 12, just as 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. And you can see the 3 pages right here. 1, 2, 3. All right, so shout out to you guys for showing awesome ownership and requesting a video about the connection and differences between partitive and quotative stories. You guys rock! Have an awesome weekend! Yay! All right, later guys. Bye-bye.